Good morning, fam. Welcome to another vlog. Cheers! Alright guys, so in this video we are going to Vegas. Wow, finally. It's been a while since I've been to Vegas. I think the last time I went was probably maybe 4 or 5 years ago. So we're finally going there. So currently we're just waiting for our car. It's actually over here. A blue car over there. Alright, let's go. We ready or what?
Ready, let's go!
Yeah, boy, you ready?
Yes!
Currently getting Starbucks before the long drive. Cheers. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We just got our stuff. We're gonna start driving to Vegas because it's gonna be a long road trip. Let's see if I can open this. Ajushi, thank you for my Starbucks, bro.
Cheers.
Almost done with my coffee here. So we're headed out to Vegas. I'm gonna take like clips here and there, and then I'll see you guys when we get to Vegas. All right, deuces. Alright guys, quick little room tour. This is like the lobby down there. Check it out. And then we're on the 10th floor. This is our room, 1007. Let's go check it out. It's a suite. We have a living room area here. We have a TV, a little table there. There's Mike, say what's up, bro.
What's up? Oh, nice.
And we have a little kitchen here. There's a little fridge. Microwave, safe. That's it. Cabinet. There's the restroom here. Pretty simple. A little outdated. This is an older hotel. And we have 2 queen beds here. And a mirror. Another TV. And we have another closet over here. Nice big one. All right. And this is our view. Check it out. We have the view of Vegas. So guys, we have the view of the Sphere. Check it out. And then our room is just right there. The Sphere. And the lobby down there. Check it out. Look who came to visit us. Say what's up.
What up?
This is what the hotel looks like. So this is the main lobby. To the left, it's the reception area, and then to the right there's some snacks you can get, and then there's more lounging chairs over here. Check it out. Let me just do some B-rolls, guys. So yeah, so over here, this is where you're gonna have breakfast tomorrow morning. So since I'm a member here, it comes with breakfast, and also upstairs over there, the third floor, I believe. That's where we're gonna have our happy hour. So again, since I'm a member here, I'm a Hilton member. They gave us 2 complimentary drinks each. So since there are 3 of us here, we're gonna get a total of 6. Let's go. We're gonna go get some drinks here. So this is what it looks like. Check it out.
Get your complimentary drinks right now.
Yeah, and then can we drink it downstairs then? Oh, that'd be great.
There's snacks right here too.
Okay, cool. Cheers, guys.
아니요, 괜찮아요.
We're about to go have dinner. K-Tan, what are we having for dinner?
Japanese food.
All right, let's go, guys.
Let's go get it.
Vámonos.
So we're going to Ichiza. Let's go. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Kajima.
First time.
First time.
First time, last time.
Look at this big baller, big baller.
비쌌었던 것 같아.
Okay, guys, so we're currently outside the restaurant right now, over there. So there's a wait. Not too long, actually. There's only one person ahead of us. Let me go show you what's inside. So that's the name of the restaurant, and there they are. All right, guys, the girls got some shots. This is the first batch. We got some cold sake. So takoyaki, I don't know what that is, some sort of fish, and of course the squid. Looks pretty fire. Cheers!
시간 속에 날
Oh my goodness.
잊어 my love 속에 한줄기 빛처럼 느껴 my love 숨기서 Feeling it.
Alright guys, so after dinner we decided to come over here. We're currently at Resorts World right now. I've never been here before, so we're gonna check it out. This is their parking. It's $18 to park there. Just wanted to let you know that. Kind of expensive, but whatever. Guys, so this is the famous food court over here. They're supposed to have a lot of Asian street food here, so we'll see. Bruh, look at the flag over there. Repping it hard. Let's go. So that is Singaporean, I believe. The clay pot rice. And then of course Japanese. And then another Japanese. What do you think, Ajay? What do you think of this place?
Oh, nice.
Yeah?
A lot of variety.
So we're currently at Walgreens right now, trying to get some water. Oh, over there, the cheap one, $5.99. Because we don't have water in our room. All right, guys, total steps for today, 10K. All right, we're finally back here in the room now, you guys. Sorry, I didn't really get to vlog that much today, but I'm ending the vlog here tonight. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. We're gonna be here in Vegas for another couple days, so stay tuned. Until then, I'm outie. Deuces.